Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to send Matic from your Arculus wallet to Binance in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will help you transfer your tokens safely and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be confident handling your digital assets. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in with your secure account. Arculus is known for its top-notch security features, so double-check that everything is set up correctly before proceeding. Once you're in the app, head over to your wallet dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Locate and select the Matic token. That's the Polygon cryptocurrency we're working with. If you don't see it, ensure it's in your portfolio or imported properly. Next, tap on the Send or Transfer button associated with your Matic balance. This will open a new screen where you'll need to enter the recipient's details. Now, this is crucial. Copy and paste your Binance wallet address. Always verify the address twice to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. After entering the address, specify the amount of Matic you want to send. Be mindful of network fees. In 2025, these might have changed, so check the estimated costs before confirming. Arculus often shows a breakdown to help you decide. Review all the transaction details carefully, including the recipient address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the transfer. You'll likely need to authenticate with your wallet's security features, like a fingerprint or PIN, for added protection. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your Binance account, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction history in both wallets to track its status. And that's it, you've successfully sent Matic from Arculus to Binance. Remember, always prioritize security in the crypto world, use hardware wallets when possible, and stay updated on best practices. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.